Thanks for being with me today, by the way. If you've watched the entire video, I'm still gonna piece this video together, right? But this will probably be the intro. So today what we did was we took it upon ourselves to do a I guess an open house tour, since my broker was hosting an open house today here in the Edinburg area in Sienna. But as I approached the open house tour, we saw about 2 or 3 houses, and then there was 2 other houses, which is where I'm at right now. So we're still here, and I just got out of my little quick errand. We're still here in Atlanta and 10th. We're headed out to these open houses here in a little bit. Check them out. They're up there in the Edinburg area, off of La Sienna, off of 281. You know, if you have any questions about those houses, and if today you can't make it out there, feel free to reach back out and be like, hey, I want to go see those houses. But check this out real quick before I check out the weather. Oh yeah. Heavy downpour. I love it. This is my kind of weather. So real quickly, I just want everybody to see this neighborhood. So yeah, check out the neighborhood. Excuse my phone, it's falling down. Yeah, just check it out real quick. Take it all in. Nice little neighborhood. This is in North Edinburg. We're at Silos at Sienna. Pretty. Very pretty. Kind of hope that the sound was captured here, because I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have the microphone on me. Pretty. Take it all in, baby. We're about to arrive at this open house. It's a nice little neighborhood. Oof, look at that. Got an 18-wheeler here. Maybe not a full-blown 18-wheeler, but you got a semi-truck right there. I'm pretty sure that if that guy can do it, you can do it. Interesting. We're about to arrive at the open house here shortly. The one I've been talking about all morning. The one that got us caught in the storm. And by the way, the person hosting this open house today is my broker, Jonathan Lilley. So we'll see him here shortly. We're about to approach the house. I don't know if we can see the flags yet, but there it is. That's the open house right there, baby. All right, well, we'll see you inside. There you go, that house. So because of the rain, we are gonna put some booties on. So you want to state your name for the public, the audience?
For the public, man, I don't know if that's a good thing or not.
You're Jonathan Lilley?
I'm Jonathan Lilley, broker of Remax Platinum, and we're here at 1417 East Silos in Edinburg, Texas.
Appreciate you, man. Show me around, man. Show me around. What we got?
So we got 5 true bedrooms here, plus a bonus area upstairs. Let's open up that back door real quick. Take a look at this lot. We've got a fully fenced lot all the way around, wooden fence on both sides, and you got a masonry block fence in the back. Downstairs, we've got the living area right here, open concept into the dining, into the kitchen. You've got this amazing farm style sink here, glass cooktop up there, and you got your microwave and your double oven, or your oven right there with the pantry off to the side.
Very cool.
Downstairs, you have your downstairs laundry. You do have a half bath for those guests, plus a 2-car garage. You gonna take a look?
Yeah, that's good. Let's sell this house, man.
Absolutely. Do you have the water softener out here as well? That will convey with the house. Full sprinkler system, front and back. 2-car garage, multi-car driveway. We got three large vehicles in there right now. We probably get another 4 more in there.
All right.
Let's go up.
Oh, can you tell us why you have no shoes on?
I have no shoes on because we had a thunderstorm that just came through, and I have not put my booties on my boots. Luciano, show us yours.
I do have my booties. I kind of like posted it up there on. I already have a video of it.
So this is a bonus space up here. Multi-purpose room. Could be a great TV room, man cave, kids playroom, office. It has endless potential up here. And this does not even count as one of the bedrooms. So coming in this way, we've got 4 bedrooms upstairs. And you'll see this one overlooks the front. You got a better view of the driveway right here.
So is this like a master bedroom? This is not the master bedroom.
No, it's going to be downstairs. Primary bedroom will be downstairs.
This is just like a mini master?
It could be, because it could be, but it does go back into the loft area that we were just in.
Oh.
So you'll see here, let me open up this curtain for you. You've got a tub shower combo. You've got tile all the way to the ceiling. And then you'll see here, you've got one sink, but you've got this enormous countertop space here. Right here, you do have a linen closet. And you'll notice we're back to the loft area.
How many AC systems does this house have? 2?
Why are you asking difficult questions?
I don't know.
I've got 2.
Just because I want to see what's going on, man. I should have mic'd up too.
So you'll see here, we've got 3 more bedrooms. Let me get these lights for you real quick. We've got 3 more bedrooms up here, which gives a total of 4 bedrooms. And then you've got this other bathroom right here. Again, much like that first one that I just showed you, it's got that long countertop. It's got the tub shower combo. This house, the owners did several upgrades before they closed on the house with the builder. So what you're seeing here, this is not standard in your normal home of this builder. The rooms up here are a good size. And again, you've got 5 total bedrooms. We're over 3,000 square feet of living space on this amazing lot, $470,000.
How far is the golf course from here?
Golf course from here, so you've got Monte Cristo Golf Club, which is, oh, no, they don't move, which is 5 minutes from here. You've got Los Lagos Golf Course, which is probably 12 minutes. We're located right off of the interstate, so you can get north-south, whichever way you need to go.
Another upstairs closet, another upstairs room, another view right here.
Now, Luciano, these upstairs bedrooms, check out the closet spaces, man. They're not small.
Oh, shit. I thought we were going to fit in here.
Now, let's roll back downstairs, and I'll show you the primary bedroom. So here we are in the primary bedroom. Again, we've got the same flooring concept downstairs, upstairs. It's a wood-looking tile, which was an upgrade as well. You've got the barn-style door right here. Now, this is a cool little feature right here. They did this accent wall right here. That can be removed if somebody wants to remove it. And on the other side of that, there's a window.
Okay.
So,
cool.
This is your primary bathroom. You do have the double vanity sinks, private commode area, stand-up shower. We've got the closet locked for personal reasons.
Got it. So we did, oops, I apologize there. We did just finish seeing the house here with Jonathan Lilley, who's my broker, by the way. We're gonna head out to another one here about a minute away. So I'm just gonna show you a quick status of the neighborhood here. I'm gonna flip my camera. I would like to add that on this particular day, there are 4 open houses in this area, La Sienna, right? So we were just at Silos at Sienna. We're still in the Sienna area here in North Edinburg off 281. So we're headed out to the next home here, which is an open house right here shortly. All right, there we go. I don't know if you guys can see it yet, but there we're at. We're gonna go see this open house now. Apologize for my camera. It's heavy on one side. But anyways, we're driving into this gated community. Check it out. Big old beautiful gates. We're gonna head to this. Oh, there it is. You see it? Open house. I land under this tree. So we did check out this house. It's actually really nice. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 baths listed up here in La Sienna. So if you have questions about stuff like this house, feel free to reach back out, or feel free to reach out. So this is another house that we stopped by at. Again, up here in Edinburgh area. So if you have any questions about homes that are listed in this area, reach out. But I wanted to come out and check out this house. It's vacant. He's got another house we're gonna check out right now too. It's vacant as well. But I wanted to show you that these are 2 new construction homes that are under $250,000. If you want to escape the loud noises of being so close to McAllen and so close to Mission, we're up here just north of Edinburgh. Off of Cibolo, off of 281 Cibolo. So if you have any questions about this house, this one is listed at, I'll double check, but I think it's listed at 250 or 240, my fault. I just remembered. The other one's listed at 250. But I'm gonna go explore this house real quick. All right, talk to you soon. Here's the front door. As we open, so I haven't seen it yet. So we're exploring this house together. All right, so check it out. we go. Oh, turn my camera this way. So we did come inside the house and it was kind of dark, so we turned on all the lights. This is a really cool little concept. Just depends on, you can have a little breakfast area right there with a living room area situated here, or I don't know if you saw in the previous little clip there, yeah, like this giant island there in the middle. You could probably put some chairs there, which is a pretty cool concept. Down this way over here, we do have the bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms. Follow me. I don't think it's gonna follow me all the way. Let me see, will it keep going? Oh, it doesn't do a 360, which is sad. Said it is sad this thing doesn't do a 360, but you can see it right here. This is what I'm talking about. That situation with the island. It's kind of cool concept. My camera's all over the place. This is a single car garage. And then right here we do have a utility room, hallway. Oh, camera sucks. This camera skills are not fantastic, but here we go. All right, moving forward. This, it's a slow moving thing. This is a double vanity. Double vanities are a little bit close to each other. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of used to the fact that they're separated, but different concept. Maybe you have, one sibling's things on this side and the other sibling's things on that other side. So that's a little bit new for me. Not something that I'm used to. I'm used to seeing them more separate. This is another room right here. So you can see it right here. Closet. And then we have the primary bedroom. Here it is. It's a pretty spacious bedroom. And then we have the closet, and we do have the primary bath. Now, the thing with the primary bath, would have probably liked to, it does have a double vanity. For whatever reason, I thought it was gonna be a single vanity. I can say is, for 240,000, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, if you're trying to escape the super city vibes of Mission McAllen, out in, like I said, North 281, not bad. Let's go check out the other house. All right, baby, so we are at our last stop of the day, and I'm not using the gimbal because I feel like, number one, I don't know how to use a gimbal very well, and number two, it's running out of battery. So we're at our last stop right now. What I really want to show you is the exterior of this house. It's very similar to the one that we just saw, but I like this one. You can see why it has a little bit more of a price point. Check it out. It does have these little rock decorative situations going on. So it adds, a more aesthetic view to it, right? So we're gonna go ahead and step into the house. We already turned the lights on. That way we can see what it looks like with the lights on. I didn't want to do the same thing I did the last time. What was like I don't know where the lights are at, right? So let's go check it out, baby. So here we do have exterior. Look at the backyard right here. Okay. That area in the back. Okay. Not exactly entirely sure where it is, but it's got a lot of mesquite. So we're out here. We're out here. Right. This is your primary bathroom. It is only a single sink. But you do have a mudroom situation. And this is my closet. I do gotta go. But thank you for being on this journey with me today. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the homes that I showed you on this video vlog tour situation. Reach out, 956-862-1556. Visit my website, www.martinezrgvhomes.com. That's RG, R as in river, G as in go, and V as in venomous. So let me know if you have any questions about any of these houses. There's a price point for everybody. If you're curious, if you're thinking about what we can get you into feel free, reach out. We'll help you out whatever way we can. If these videos are something that you enjoy, please click the subscribe button, the like button. It'll help you understand what content is working for people, right? So check them out. All right.